everyone! Welcome back to Everyday English with Emma and Jack. Today... Oh, wait. What's your name again?
Oh no. Emma, did you just forget my name?
I'm kidding, Jack. But have you ever had that moment when you meet someone and suddenly your brain just goes blank?
Yes, it's the worst feeling. You're like, hey, buddy, pal, my friend, trying to hide that you totally forgot their name.
Exactly. Don't worry. It happens to everyone. Even native speakers forget names all the time.
Really? I thought only language learners had that problem.
Nope. It's super normal. So today, we're going to help you survive that moment when you forget someone's name in English.
English survival tips. I need these.
This is our Everyday English Conversations series, where we teach you real English for real-life situations.
Perfect. So what do we do when we totally blank on someone's name?
Don't worry, Jack. We've got you covered. And before we start, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and comment below if you've ever been in this situation.
Yeah. Tell us your name disaster story in the comments. We'll read them all.
Okay, so let's set the scene. You meet someone at a party, or at work, or even in your English class. You've met before, but you cannot remember their name.
That's painful.
You smile, you say hello, but inside you're thinking, please don't ask me what your name is.
That's literally me every time I go to a reunion.
Right? So the good news is you don't have to panic. There are friendly, natural ways to handle it.
Like what? Do I just ask, what's your name again?
That can work, but it depends how you say it. Tone is super important. If you say, what's your name again, with a flat tone, it can sound a little rude or careless.
Oh, like you didn't care to remember them?
Exactly. But if you smile and say something like, I'm so sorry, I forgot your name. Could you remind me?
Oh, okay. Let me try that. I'm so sorry I forgot your name. Could you remind me?
Perfect. Nice and natural.
It sounds honest, too. Like I'm not pretending.
Yes. Honesty always feels good. People appreciate that.
But what if it's someone important, like my boss or a client? That's scary.
Good question. In that case, you can be a bit more formal. Try something like, I'm terribly sorry. Your name has slipped my mind.
Slipped my mind. I like that. It sounds so British.
It is. It slipped my mind means I forgot, but it sounds softer, more polite.
So I can say, I'm so sorry, your name slipped my mind for a moment.
Exactly. That's perfect for work situations.
Cool. What about casual situations, like at a cafe or meeting a friend's friend?
Then you can be relaxed. Try, sorry, I'm terrible with names. What was your name again?
Oh, that sounds nice. It's honest, but not awkward.
Yes, it shows you're friendly. You're not blaming the person or acting strange.
Okay, but what if I don't want to ask their name directly? Like, maybe it's been too long and it feels too awkward.
Ooh, yes, great question. There are sneaky ways to find out someone's name politely.
Sneaky. I like sneaky.
Okay, imagine you're with that person and someone new walks up. You can say, hey, have you two met?
Oh, then they'll introduce themselves.
Exactly. The new person will say, hi, I'm Sarah. And your mystery person will say, oh, nice to meet you, I'm Tom.
Genius. Then I can just go, right, Tom, of course, and pretend I knew it all along.
Ha ha, yes, but don't overdo it.
Yes, Tom, my best friend Tom. How could I forget?
Okay, maybe not that much enthusiasm. But yes, this is a natural way to recover.
That's clever. Any other tricks?
Sure. You can also check their social media or a name tag if you're at an event. Or listen carefully. Someone else might say their name during the conversation.
Oh, like if someone says, "Hey, Tom, could you pass me that?" Then I'll know.
Exactly. You just have to be alert.
I see. But what if I remember part of the name? Like, I think it starts with an S.
In that case, you can guess politely, but be careful. For example, you can say, "Sorry, was it Sarah or Sandra?"
So it shows I remember something, not just forgot completely.
Yes, and even if you're wrong, it's still kind. You're trying.
Yeah, that feels better than just saying nothing.
Exactly. Most people are kind when you forget. They'll just laugh and say, "It's okay, it happens."
That's true. I've forgiven people who forgot my name.
See? People understand. The key is to stay calm, friendly, and polite.
You know what's funny? I sometimes remember people by their faces, but not their names.
Oh, yes, that's super common. You can say that too. For example, "I remember you, but I'm so sorry, I've forgotten your name."
That's nice. It shows that you actually remember them, just not the name.
Exactly. It makes it personal and friendly.
I like that. Let me practice. I remember you, but I've forgotten your name.
Perfect pronunciation.
Thanks. But sometimes I panic and freeze. Like, I just start calling people mate or buddy.
Oh, yes. That's another survival strategy.
Yeah, like, "Hey, buddy, how's it going?"
That works in casual English. Words like buddy, pal, man, dude, they can save you.
But not in formal situations, right?
Right. Don't call your boss buddy.
"Hey, buddy, great report."
Yeah, maybe not. But with friends or colleagues you know well, it's okay.
Okay, so let me check if I got this. If I forget someone's name, I can politely ask them again, "I'm sorry, could you remind me of your name?" Say, "It slipped my mind." "Your name slipped my mind." Use tricks like introducing people. "Have you two met?" Or use buddy and mate for casual talks.
Exactly. You're ready for any name emergency.
Name emergency. I love that.
But there's one more thing. How to remember names better.
Oh, yes, please. I'm terrible at remembering names.
You're not alone. The secret is to use the name as soon as you hear it.
Like repeating it?
Exactly. When someone says, "Hi, I'm Sarah," you reply, "Nice to meet you, Sarah."
So it sticks in my brain.
Yes, and you can say it a few times in conversation. For example, "Sarah, how long have you been living here?" Or, "That's a great idea, Sarah."
That feels natural.
It also makes the other person feel good. Everyone loves hearing their name.
True. When people say my name, I feel more connected.
Exactly. It's simple but powerful.
Okay, but what if I meet many people at once, like at a party or a meeting?
Then focus on a few. You can remember key names, maybe the host or someone you talked with a lot. Don't stress about everyone.
Right. So it's okay to forget some.
Totally okay. You're human. Even native speakers forget.
You know what would be funny? If there was an app that whispers people's names into your ear when you forget them.
Like a name translator for real life. "This is John. You met him last week."
I'd buy it immediately.
Me too. But until that exists, these tips will help.
Definitely. I already feel less scared about forgetting names.
That's the goal. We want you to feel confident, even in awkward moments.
Thanks, Emma. You always make English feel less scary.
Oh, that's so nice. But really, English is about connection, not perfection.
That's beautiful. Connection, not perfection. I'm writing that down.
All right, friends, let's wrap it up. Today, we learned what to do when you forget someone's name and that it's completely normal.
Yep, you can be honest and polite. I'm sorry, could you remind me of your name?
Or use soft phrases like, it slipped my mind.
You can also find out naturally, like, have you two met? Or use friendly words like buddy in casual situations.
And don't forget, use people's names often so you remember them next time.
Exactly. Remember, everyone forgets names sometimes. What matters is how you handle it, with warmth, honesty, and kindness.
I love that. Don't panic, just smile and ask.
That's the spirit. So, Emma, what was your name again?
Very funny, Jack.
I had to try it once.
You're terrible.
I know, but seriously, friends, practice these phrases and you'll never feel lost again.
Right. And tell us in the comments, have you ever forgotten someone's name in English? What did you do?
We want to hear your stories.
And if you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends learning English.
Because we're all in this together, learning, laughing, and getting a little better every day.
Exactly.
Learn English. Feel confident.
Every day.